Welcome to the SMART-AGRI Hub channel. Today, we introduce the Medicinal Plants course, a comprehensive guide designed for those interested in the intersection of agriculture and natural wellness. As modern agriculture evolves, the cultivation and use of medicinal plants have become increasingly significant, offering sustainable solutions for health and well-being. This course explores the vital role these plants play in both traditional and contemporary practices. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of medicinal plants and their impact on modern agriculture and holistic wellness. Medicinal plants are species that contain natural compounds used to prevent, alleviate, or cure various health conditions. For thousands of years, cultures around the world have relied on these plants as the foundation of traditional healing practices. Ancient civilizations, such as those in Egypt, China, and India, documented the use of herbs for treating illnesses and maintaining wellness. Even today, many modern medicines are derived from or inspired by plant-based compounds, highlighting the enduring importance of medicinal plants in healthcare. Their role bridges the gap between traditional remedies and contemporary pharmaceutical science. Medicinal plants play a crucial role in healthcare systems across the globe, serving as the foundation for many traditional and modern medicines. In numerous developing countries, a significant portion of the population relies on plant-based remedies as their primary source of healthcare. These plants are not only vital for treating a wide range of ailments, but also contribute substantially to the pharmaceutical industry, which sources many active compounds from natural origins. The global trade in medicinal plants generates billions of dollars annually, supporting livelihoods and economies in both rural and urban communities. Their continued use and conservation are essential for public health and economic stability worldwide. Medicinal plants represent a remarkable diversity, with thousands of species thriving in various climates and landscapes around the world. Each region boasts its own unique flora, adapted to local conditions and cultural traditions. From the rainforests of South America, where plants like ayahuasca and cat's claw are valued for their therapeutic uses, to the forests of Asia, home to ginseng and turmeric, these species offer a wide array of healing properties. Some plants are known for their ability to soothe inflammation, while others are prized for boosting immunity or treating specific ailments. This rich variety highlights the importance of preserving both the plants themselves and the traditional knowledge associated with their use. Medicinal plants offer a range of valuable benefits for human health. They have been used for centuries to treat common ailments such as colds, digestive issues, and skin conditions, often providing gentle relief with fewer side effects than synthetic medications. By supporting holistic health, these plants contribute to overall well-being, addressing both physical and mental aspects of wellness. Their natural compounds can boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. As sources of natural remedies, medicinal plants continue to play an important role in both traditional and modern healthcare practices. Medicinal plants have been used for centuries, relying on naturally occurring compounds found within various parts of the plant. These remedies are often rooted in traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, and adapted to local cultures. In contrast, conventional pharmaceuticals typically involve the isolation, synthesis, and standardization of specific active ingredients, often derived from or inspired by nature, but produced in controlled laboratory settings. While pharmaceuticals aim for consistency and precise dosing, medicinal plants may offer a broader spectrum of compounds that can work together in complex ways. This distinction highlights the unique interplay between nature, tradition, and modern science in the development of treatments. Sustainable cultivation and harvesting of medicinal plants are essential practices that ensure these valuable resources remain available for future generations. By focusing on conservation and responsible use, we help protect biodiversity and maintain the delicate balance of natural ecosystems. Overharvesting and unsustainable methods can lead to the depletion of plant populations and even the extinction of certain species. Emphasizing sustainable approaches, not only preserves these plants, but also supports the communities that rely on them for traditional medicine and livelihoods. Medicinal plants are facing a range of significant challenges that threaten their survival. Overharvesting, driven by increasing demand for natural remedies, often depletes wild populations faster than they can regenerate. Habitat loss, caused by deforestation, urban expansion, and agricultural development, further reduces the areas where these plants can thrive. Climate change adds another layer of risk, altering growing conditions and sometimes making traditional habitats unsuitable. Together, these factors not only endanger the plants themselves, but also jeopardize the communities and ecosystems that rely on them. Medicinal plants are first identified through careful observation of their physical characteristics and, often, by referencing traditional knowledge or scientific classification. Once identified, these plants are cultivated under controlled conditions to ensure their purity and potency. Harvesting typically occurs at specific times to maximize the concentration of active compounds. After collection, the plants undergo processing methods such as drying, grinding, or extraction to prepare them for use in herbal remedies and products. Each step is carefully managed to preserve the beneficial properties of the plants and ensure their safety for consumers. Many medicinal plants have been used for centuries to promote health and healing. Aloe vera, for example, is renowned for its soothing gel, often applied to burns and skin irritations to aid recovery. Neem leaves are valued for their antibacterial properties and are commonly used in traditional remedies for skin conditions and oral care. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow color, contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These plants demonstrate how nature offers practical solutions for everyday health concerns. The Medicinal Plants course is thoughtfully structured to guide you through the fascinating world of plant-based healing. In the opening chapters, you'll explore the history and foundational principles of herbal medicine. As the course progresses, you'll learn how to identify key medicinal plants, understand their active compounds, and discover safe preparation methods. Later chapters delve into practical applications, such as creating tinctures and salves, and address important safety considerations. By the end of the course, you'll have a well-rounded understanding of how to incorporate medicinal plants into daily wellness routines. As you continue to explore the world of medicinal plants and sustainable agriculture, remember that every step you take contributes to a healthier planet and a more knowledgeable community. Your curiosity and commitment can lead to discoveries that benefit both people and the environment. Stay inspired, keep learning, and embrace the journey ahead. Together, we can cultivate a future rooted in wellness and sustainability.